Hello, this is Jirka from Reawote.com, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Reawote Browser into the Cinema4D. So after you download the zip file, just unzip it, extract all, and now just find the location of your Cinema4D. So I will go here to local disk C, program files, Cinema4D, and here you have to drag and drop this folder, this unzip folder, into this plugins folder. Keep in mind that you need to do the drag and drop, not copy and paste. Yeah, so I will just drag and drop the folder like this. If you don't have the plugins folder yet in Cinema4D, just create one here in this structure, just in the Cinema4D main folder. Now when I open the Cinema4D, I can go to the extensions tab, and you see here is Reawote Browser. So I will open it. It will take a few seconds to load. First of all, you need to sign in. So I will sign in with my Google account. And now I have access to the version of the library which can directly import the assets into the open scene. So I will try to import the first asset. But as you can see, we need to define first the folder where we want to store all of these assets. So I will hit this change button and I will create some random folder here. And now we can download these assets. Yeah, so this is basically the installation and basic setup. In the same page where you downloaded this installation file, you can find also another tutorial for actually usage of the plugin. So don't forget to check it to know how to use this Reawote browser inside Cinema4D. Thank you for watching.